welcome back everyone. In the last video, one of the last things I said is that we were expecting a bunch of rain coming in over the next few days. Well, it's now the next Friday, and it has rained every day except Wednesday when I already had other things planned for that day. So this is me starting for the week on Friday. So what I'm going to do today is just try to get some of this stuff cleaned up around the house so that I can start getting the siding torn off and move on to getting windows out, getting new windows in, and all the next things that go with that. Well, it's kind of hard to tell from the old water stains and stuff, but I'm pretty sure that we didn't get any water in here. Of course, this is a portion of the roof that's been done for several weeks. But I'm going to go upstairs and see what I can see in there, make sure that nothing leaked in through the cap. So let's check that out. Well, it's a mess, but I don't see any water. So that's good. It's going to be hard to tell in the ceiling because I don't have the inner boards ripped off yet, but that's all right. I think we got it. This is what happens when you start your Monday on a Friday. You get a Friday to look forward to the weekend, but you also get a Monday where you have a flat tire to fix. So, gotta get that done before I can finish cleaning stuff up. Still have a mess. I was just getting started. Found the leak. Can't imagine how I got a slice in my tire out here, but there it is. So I'm going to try to put a plug in it. Somebody at a tire shop somewhere will probably be yelling at me for putting a plug in a tire, but and just like that, no more hissing. So I'll air it back up and we'll get to work. And we'll try not to do that again. Well, I didn't really get much done on the house, but I did get the yard all cleaned up. So next week when I come back to start tearing siding off, I won't be tripping over shingles and stepping on nails and that kind of thing. So it looks a lot better. I need to let it dry out quite a bit before I can actually get it graded well. It's just been too wet and muddy, and it's just making a bunch of ruts right now. So maybe in a couple of weeks when it's dry, I'll get the skid steer back out and work on getting that yard flattened out so some grass can start growing there. So next week we'll get the siding torn off and begin taking out the windows and door frames and getting those put in new. Soffit and fascia go on and all that before siding can go on. So here, hopefully, if the weather cooperates in the next couple of weeks, really going to start making a difference on the way the exterior of this house looks, and then we can start working on the inside. So it's moving along, it's getting exciting, and it should be some big changes here in the next few weeks or month. And so follow along. Hope you're enjoying this. Sorry there wasn't really too much excitement this week, but it all needed to be done, so there it is. So continue watching, and we'll see you next time.